Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and in this video I'll show you the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. If you are new here and you think trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So today we'll trade with $100. Let's see what happened and let's get started to our trading. Our workspace will begin the deal amounts to $100, 100% of our balance. So its deal amounts will be also 1 minute. Time frame is also 1 minute. Next, we have several currency pairs for trading. 7. But let's remove this one and we leave 6. You also see the percentage, payout percentage. I recommend you to choose payout percentage more than 70%. It's very important, no less. Next, for general analysis, today we'll use technical analysis and moving average, our indicator, and RSI. Let me tell you a little about this indicator. By moving average, we see it's on the chart. The settings you can see here. This is the simplest trend indicator. Using it, you can determine the current trend and find signs of its possible change. If the asset price is above the moving price, it means the trend is upward. If it's below the moving average, it means the trend is down, upward. This indicator, like our chart, is directed in that direction. This indicator, RSI, the settings, at the bottom of our screen we see this is a tool that measures the ratio of upward and downward movements and standardizes the calculation in such a way that the index is expressed into this from 30 to 70. Upper zone and lower zone. Upper is overbought and the lower zone is oversold. This indicator helps to understand in which direction our trend is sliding. It's going so. Before we start, I want to recommend you to subscribe to my YouTube and my Telegram channel. You can find there any useful information about trading, so you can find the link in the description. So the first concept open up and we start our technical analysis. So support and resistance areas. Here we see that we're quite confidently moving towards the resistance area, and from this side we will open up. Moving average indicator, we see that this moving indicator average is directed upwards and is located above this line, so we opened up. So by RSI, this moving average is a little down. It reached overbought. This happens because we formed this red candle. But according to the general trend, we are also growing. We see this is this indicator. Let's see. 3 seconds left until the end. Great, the deal is a plus. $285 our profits. Let's move on. Here we are, open down, and we start our technical analysis. What we see here, by technical analysis we see resistance area and support area. We reached the resistance area, shadow from above. I think it will be pulled back. We see growing on our chart. I think it will be pulled back upon reaching the resistance level. RSI also, we see we reached the overbought area in the upper position. In a certain position, we see this indicator. 4 seconds left until the end, and trend is falling. RSI indicator also looks down. Okay, good. We have plus still $79 on our balance. Is our profit. So even recommends you these indicators as confirmation of your technical analysis. We move on, open up, and we start our technical analysis. Some growth was still strong. Yeah, we did move a little into consolidation in the last episode, but this doesn't tell us much. More and more likely the chart will continue to move in the upper position. On the first indicator, we see green line is directed to the top position. Green bars, quite correct. So we opened correct RSI in the down position because of a red candle. We are near the overbought zone. Yeah, great. Plus deal profit is $80. So let's sum it up. We increased our balance. We have $344 and we started with $100. And let me remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. You can find there my videos, my trading, many useful information about trading. The link is in the description. Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in binary options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies. So we move on to the next concept, up and down, and we start our technical analysis. Trend is going down. Red candles we see that, and we see that trend is going to consolidation, some kind of consolidation. Next, we'll look at our second indicator called RSI, and for this indicator at the moment we have also drawdown. Yeah, we see it for several candles already. So that's why we open down. Let's see. 11 seconds left until the end. Let's zoom it. The deal closes at 0. It's okay. Let's immediately move on to the next concept. Before we move on, let's increase the amount of deal to $200 and we'll immediately move on to the next concept. Here we are. Let's open up a deal and we start our technical analysis. What we see? First, we are experiencing fairly long-term growth, of course. Some consolidation, but still this consolidation will most likely again reach the upper limit, which also confirms why we will open a trade for an increase. And if we look at our first indicator moving average, According to this indicator at the moment, we see that we also have this movement average directed slightly upward. Parasite, the same situation. We also have our line to the upper position, to the overbought zone. 9 seconds left until the end, and we are growing. 2 seconds, 1. Yeah, excellent. Plus deal. Profit is $164. Our balance is a little more than $500. So let's increase our amount to 508. Here we are, up deal, and we start our technical analysis. So first we have upward trend, and we see that such drawdowns occur. Often this is 1-2 candles, maximum 3 candles. Now we have drawdown again, and we opened our position in the relatively lowest range of this candle. This is most likely the chart will then turn to the upper position. This is also confirmed by our indicator called moving average. At the moment, the sliding indicator of this is also directed in the upper position, like the candles themselves. Like, yes, by our side, we still experience slight drawdown due to the red candle, but we near the overbought zone, so continue to grow. 6 seconds left. Good. Our profit is $430. Almost $1,000 on our balance. Let's reduce the deal amount. Here we're up and down, and we start our technical analysis. So what we see that we are still in a slight drawdown. That's why we up and down. So why? Because in our position we see we reached the resistance level. We reached its second stage. Moving average indicator does not show this at the moment, but the RSI indicator shows this relatively. If we take a closer look at this moving average, they are directed slightly in the lower position. 14 seconds left until the end. We are below our opening point. Our candle is quite intense. This deal also closes at 0. This is the second deal, but it's okay. Let's move on to the next concept, and let's try again to increase our balance to $1,000 on the next concept. Open up and start our technical analysis. So what we see, growth in our chart. What we see also, we have more green candles, and from the general situation we see some consolidation. Yeah, upper limits, general trend is upward. RSI is located at the bottom. We see that we also have a small moving angle at the correct upper position. It confirms that our chart is increasing, and we opened up for growth. Let's see. Yeah, great. Profit is $180. Let's finish our trading session for today. Let's summarize it. At the beginning of the video, we had $100 and we now have more than $1,000. It's very good results. And we use technical analysis and 2 indicators moving average, the settings you see, and RSI. So I think that's it for today. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments below. Let's answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.